Assalamu alaikum, brother. What are you thinking?
Assalamu alaikum, brother. I'm thinking about how Iblis acts as Shaitan and how to prevent ourselves from Shaitan.
Brother, it is the Quran, which has told you about Iblis acting as Shaitan, so it's the same book, that is, Quran, which will guide you on how to prevent yourselves from Shaitan.
Very true. Kindly guide me from the Quran.
First, tell me, what was the challenge of Iblis to Allah?
I think Iblis challenged to Allah to misguide people.
How, brother? What did Iblis say to Allah that how Iblis will misguide us?
I do not know. Kindly tell me.
Sure, brother. Kindly open Surah 7, Ayah 16. So as per Quran, Shaitan challenged Allah to sit on the Sirat-e Mustaqim, that is, straight and stable path, and do not to let people follow the straight path by misguiding them.
Right, brother, but where is the Sirat-e Mustaqim or straight path which Shaitan challenged Allah to not let us follow?
Good question, brother. To save ourselves from Shaitan, we first need to know what is the Sirat-e Mustaqim that Shaitan will not let us follow. Let's see what Allah says about it. Kindly open Surah number 17 and Ayah number 9, and also see Surah number 6 and Ayah number 126.
So, brother, Shaitan challenged Allah to sit on the straight path, and Allah says that following the Quran is the straight path.
So, Shaitan will come between us and the Quran, and will prevent us from following the Quran.
Let me ask you one question, brother. Did anyone ever told you that the Quran is farz on you?
No, brother. I have been told many other farz, not Quran as farz. Can you show me from the Quran?
Yes, brother. Let me show you Surah number 28 and Ayat number 85 that Quran is a farz.
Oh, I never knew that Quran is farz on me. Kindly tell me how Shaitan can stop me from following the Quran.
Brother, it is very simple. Whenever you will talk about the Quran, Shaitan will come in the form of people and will do any of the following. Shaitan will bring in other man-written books and ask you to talk about them. Or, Shaitan will tell you that there is a sawab of reading Quran in Arabic, so that you can stay on Arabic rather than studying the Quran with translation. Or, Shaitan will say Quran is difficult to understand and you need an alim for that, so that you keep searching for an alim and get busy in worldly things. Or, Shaitan will say if you read Quran alone, you will be misguided because each word has so many meanings. Or, Shaitan will say you cannot study the Quran without reading other man-written books along with it. So, whatever Shaitan can do, Shaitan will try to create a fake issue to take you away from the Quran.
Oh, brother, I have heard all these statements by people, but I have a question. Why those people who do not take guidance from Quran thinks that they are on the right path?
Brother, Allah has answered this in the Quran. Let me show you first what Allah does as Rahman in Surah 55, Ayat 1 and 2, and what happens when you close your eyes from admonition of Rahman in Surah number 43 and Ayat number 36 and 37. So, brother, as per the ayat, those people who do not take guidance from the admonition of Allah the Rahman, which is given in Quran, will become a partner of Shaitan and will go away from the straight path and will continue to think that they are the guided ones.
Oh, brother, this is so dangerous to think that you are on the straight path while you are the misguided one.
Yes, brother. And do you know that the challenge that the Shaitan gave to Allah to misguide majority, Shaitan became successful in that? Let me show you from the Quran. See Surah number 34, Ayat number 20. So, brother, if you want to be among the guided ones, and if you want to stay away from the influence of Shaitan, then take your guidance only from the Quran by reading it with translation, noting down the instructions, and practicing them in your day-to-day life.
Thank you, brother, for opening my eyes. I will now make it my habit to study Quran every night and to take guidance out of it to follow the guided path.
May Allah give you success, brother, and do not forget to download our free mobile app, Question Quran, or visit our website, www.questionquran, and study the subject about Shaitan, to see how do you act when you are under the influence of Shaitan. Also, kindly share this discussion with others so that you may save a soul.